Thanks for joining us for our hands-on preview of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 smartphone in all three main color options. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 comes in three main color options, which will be available worldwide in both retail and online stores. This is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 in the navy color option. This is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 in the silver shadow color option. And this is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 in the pink color option. Now, let's take a closer look at the Samsung Galaxy Fold 6 in all three color options. Let's start with the silver shadow version in the middle. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is slightly shorter and slightly wider than last year's Galaxy Z Fold 5. You can't really tell, but it has a slightly larger 6.3-inch cover screen display, protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2, same as last year. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 now has 10% better scratch resistance, thanks to its enhanced armor aluminum frame. Samsung maintained the same 7.6-inch foldable display, but the entire device is now 14 grams lighter. Its SIM tray is located on the left side of its large foldable display. At the bottom, you will find its lower speaker port, as well as a microphone port, and its USB Type-C port. The power and volume control buttons are located on the right side of the foldable display. At the top of the foldable display, you will find three more microphones, as well as the upper speaker port. The dual rail hinge looks the same, but has been improved with better shock distribution. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 looks very similar to last year's Galaxy Z Fold 5, except it now sports a bolder rear camera frame design in black. However, the rear cameras remain the same. A 50-megapixel dual-pixel camera, a 10-megapixel telephoto camera, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera. The cover display camera also remains the same, a 10-megapixel punch-hole camera with an f2.2 aperture. Hidden at the top right side of the foldable display is a 4-megapixel camera. Now, let's take a look at the navy version. I have to apologize for the navy version being out of focus due to the lower contrast. Internally, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy, which offers better performance. On top of that, Samsung is keeping the processor cool with a 60% larger vapor chamber for better sustained performance. It has the same 12 gigabytes of memory and storage options of 256 gigabytes, 512 gigabytes, and 1 terabyte. It also has the same 4,400 mAh battery, but promises better battery life. Finally, let's take a look at the pink version of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. We should point out that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is IP48 rated for the first time. In addition to its water resistance at up to 1.5 meters for up to 30 minutes, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is now protected against solid objects larger than 1 millimeter. This does not mean it is dust resistant, but it has been engineered to keep out small stones and the like from its delicate innards. We hope you found this video useful. For more details, please click on the link in the description for our article. Please share this video and our article with those who are interested in the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. And please support our work by subscribing to our channel and sponsoring us through the links below. Thank you.